Here's a 30-inch Heritage Brisbane. It's a downrod fan, but it's actually flush mounted. It was like that when I got it. I don't really have any brass Heritage downrods. They're half-inch, so maybe if I find some I'll use them, but yeah. This fan didn't work, so what I did was I took the motor out of my Alliance hugger because it was actually the exact same kind. Took it out, you know, removed the nut at the top, pulled off the hugger bracket and the everything else that was on there, the washers and crap, and exposed the threaded rod at the top of the motor. I was able to just screw it into the top mounting thingy of this fan. I don't know what all that crap's called, but it's pretty easy actually, so, as I figured it would be. I know it's the exact same kind of motor. The only difference between my Alliance and this fan is that the Alliance is a hugger. So it works now, and if I want to I can always go get another Alliance hugger because they're still made, but I don't know, I wasn't really impressed with it. It's kind of rattly and everything, but this works. Got the light working, and of course the fan. For 30-inch fan, it puts out a good breeze. Oops, wrong switch. It does hum. But it's probably resonated because there's nothing sound dampening between the fan and the ceiling. It's all metal on metal. If I were in my own house, which I will, besides the one in Willis, which I plan on using as a vacation house, like a weekend place, this will go in the laundry room there, I've decided. I like this little fan. I'm aware it's a Heritage, but it's a nice Heritage, I like it. Heritage had some good designs. Whatever you may think of them is your business, but I like them. And like I said, even though this one's got blades that are scratched to all hell, I'll still hang it in there with the walnut side down. Not really a fan of the oak side. But yeah. So, there's that. And I'll pull the ladder out and actually show you the oak side, because in my other videos I always have the side down. So here's what the oak side looks like. I don't know if you can really see it, because there's not much light up here. Hang on. That'll make it a little brighter. There, now you can see the oak. Yeah, I don't really like that side. But, you know, I do like the walnut side. Too bad this is all scratched up. But, it's a nice fan, and I like it a lot. And anyway, there's that video for that, and I hope you enjoyed.